Hello children, welcome back to our e-class of Moral Science. This video is for class 2nd, subject Moral Science, chapter number 6, topic is Love and Care. This video is prepared by Alka Sharma. To make a difference in someone's life, you don't have to be brilliant, rich, beautiful, or perfect. You just have to care. No love is greater than mom's love. No care is greater than dad's care. One person caring about another represents life's greatest value. So children, this is your moral science book. Gems for Life, a unique book on value education. Today we will read chapter 6. Topic is Love and Care. Students, today in this chapter we will learn about different definitions of love and care. For every individual, the way of expressing love and care is different when compared to others. For some, love is about liking a person. For others, love is about giving gifts. While for others, it can be about helping each other in difficult or hard situations. So we can say that there is no specific definition of love and care. Let us now learn about a small story of Meera's definition of love and care and how her friends and family explain her about love and care. Ma'am, Meera is crying, Rani said at the top of her voice. What happened to Meera? Miss Vani suddenly put a pause to the story and came close to her. Her friends too came and stood by her side. One day in the class, when teacher was reading a story, suddenly Meera started crying. After hearing her voice, her friend Rani told this to the teacher whose name was Miss Vani. Meera was crying so that all her friends and Miss Vani came and stood by her side. Meera herself was not aware of the reason for her crying. Anyone will cry if they hear the story of that poor old man. His home is the railway station. He is living on the food which others give. When she remembered the story, her eyes were filled with tears. Children, Meera also did not know what happened with her, why she was crying. Reason was the story of an old poor man. Anyone will cry after hearing that story. That poor old man was living in the railway station because he was very old and was not able to do any work to earn money. He was living on the food which others gave him. If he did not get food someday, he would go to sleep hungry. She had tears in her eyes after remembering that story. There are many people who do not have anything to eat. Do not waste food. Meera remembered the words of her mom and the plenty of delicious food available to her on the dining table. Children, Meera was a rich girl, so she had plenty of delicious food available to her on the dining table. Sometimes she would leave food in her plate. She remembered her mother's word. Her mother always said, "You should not waste food because in this world there are many people who do not have anything to eat." Mom, what is love? Archana in my class says love is to like a person. But Dhanya says love is giving some gifts to our friends. Mom, which is correct? One day Meera asked to her mom, "Mom, what is love?" Meera wanted to know about love because she was confused. Her classmate Archana told that love is to like a person. On the other hand, her other friend Dhanya was saying that love is giving some gifts to our friends. So Meera was confused and asked to her mom, which is correct? My darling, to some extent, both of them are the expressions of love. Don't you like Papa? Don't you like Mom? You like both of us because you love us. Mom replied, "Dear Meera, both of your friends told to you are the expressions of love." Mom asked Meera again, "Don't you like your Papa? Don't you like Mom? You like both of us because you love us. This is the love." What did Dhanya say about God? God has filled our hearts with love. We give this love to others through our acts of love. Mom asked Meera again, "What did Dhanya say about God?" Meera replied, "Dhanya told that God has filled our hearts with love. We give this love to others by different ways, sometimes by helping them, sometimes taking care of them." Mom, I have a doubt whether I can show my love by these kinds of acts. How can I show my love to that poor old man in the story? Meera again has confusion. She asked to her mother, "Mom, how can I show my love to that poor old man in the story?" We have to love not only our friends but also the sick, old, and those who have no one to look after them. We have to help them. Only then they will understand that we love them and care for them. Mira's mom replied to Mira that we have to love not only our friends and family but also the sick, old, and those who have no one to look after them. Children, in this world, so many people are alone. Many children are without parents, and many old people are without their families. They have no one to look after them. They need love and care. We have to help those needy people. Children, we are defined by our actions toward others, not others' actions toward us. Moral of the story is love and care everyone. It means a lot. Love and care everyone. It means a lot. Dear student, I hope you all have understood the chapter properly. Complete all the activities and question answers in your copy neatly and also learn your chapter properly. Thank you.